Russell 2000, I didn't mention to you guys that I think this could be a good shorting opportunity, especially with a double top and this kind of distribution zone here. It's looking like it wants to drop around 5% or so from this level to around here, maybe even a little bit deeper. And yeah, with the S&P, I did mention last week that we could see a 5 to 6% drop. That would be normal. Also, you also have the draw-ins on my chart where I see the normal level of a drop and then a rebuild of structure. You saw that in the chart that I shared with S&P. But yeah, this is breaking here, and we're looking short with the Russell, with the VIX also spiking up today. So we have a situation where we have to be risk off. The VIX is spiking and the volatility might be increasing. Yeah, it could find support. We just have to manage risk as best as we can and protect ourselves in this situation. So let me show you the S&P 500 is very important. Right, so today the S&P is selling off. This is the ETF that only opens when the market opens. But with that sell-off, the zone that I had around this level was resistance, and then we're coming back down to here, which is around 6.3, maybe all the way down to 6.1. So this move, we're around here right now, but this move from yesterday, if it drops around 6 to 8%, it would be normal. I don't think it will drop straight away. It will create a structure like this, which will allow you time to get out. And institutions as well will be getting out. They'll be buy the dippers around these zones. So yeah, we are in a situation where I think we could be selling off a little bit. So just be very cautious there. One of the reasons is Palantir and the large caps being overextended and then selling off a little bit. And this is the reason why there is talk about Michael Burry selling this. I mean, this would have been a perfect opportunity to sell. Just because I'm in the long, I kind of wanted to manage the situation and get in at a different time. I could have taken a put as a hedge. I decided not to. And I'll be looking to manage this today, essentially, and see how it reacts. I also have Nvidia in the portfolio. That's been holding up. I think it's selling off a little bit right now. So we have to monitor that. Yeah, there we are with Nvidia. I mean, this move all the way down to 199, even as low as 193 is normal. It is normal, and I wouldn't see it as an issue at all if that happened. Okay, so it's normal. Like I said, I'll be managing these positions. Yesterday, I mentioned that I'd bought SMR, PL, IONQ, QBTS, or Regedi. All of these started selling off, and as soon as the market opened, I started getting out of the positions. It's just about minimizing risk and minimizing losses. That's all you can do in these situations if you're not in profit. Luckily, I am in profit with Nvidia, Palantir, some of these other ones I'm holding, so I can get out with a small profit and gain to balance out the small losses that I made with IONQ, QBTS, Regedi, etc. So it's kind of a balancing act in the situations where the broader market loses. If you can control the losses from your end, then you're in a good position. Okay, I think that stock's done.